Assalamu alaikum all world GSM friend. Today's subject Realme Nazo 50 RMX 3516 flash file 100% tested. If mobile Nazo 50 hang logo date mode DVR ever key unlock tool formats already mobile auto on of date mode 100% working. Okay. Next, Oppo A16e 6e CPH 2421 flash file 100% tested update firmware okay. Now see this mobile, any problem, DM verify fail and recovery mode, fast boot mode, already the official firmware, this mobile 100% working. Next, Redmi Note13 Pro Plus global ROM 100% tested. Next, Redmi Note13 Pro global ROM 100% tested. Next, Redmi Note 130 5G China to global 100% tested. Next, Redmi 30C order DA file global V1400610 tested 100%. My friend, at first my YouTube channel discover and YouTube channel subscriber and Imo WhatsApp number 24-hour service. Okay. At first, my YouTube channel subscriber like and comment and Facebook share. Next, video no skip, last moment. Now see this mobile, your file no link, description no link, just you comment box check now and comment box no link. Last moment, now we see any browser open. Now the right Google now right the Borsa mobile, now see blogger this side. Okay, many file. I am very confused. Your file need just the search blogger A6E. Now we see any file you need. Okay, just model just right now, mobile no name, just model right now and search the magic option. Okay, you file you need, just download now. Download this problem, Imo WhatsApp start now. The password problem, Imo WhatsApp start now. Any solution problem, Imo WhatsApp start now. 24-hour service only for all GSM friends. Okay, goodbye. Next time your WhatsApp start with you.